Bit about this interface. This is a form builder interface. On the left side, there is a tree of items where you can add new items, adjust their settings, and the form will be rendered in real time. At the bottom, there is a debug console where you can see how the form definition looks like in a file format, how the data stored in a database as a question response resource. You can test population and data extraction logic. On the right side, there is an embedded AI assistant that helps you with form creation. First, let's create the form title, vital signs. Create the patient info section. Add first name, last name, date of birthday, and gender. I can change the layout a bit. Okay, I can ask do the same date of birth and gender. Now we can add vital signs section with the fields BMI, blood pressure, temperature. Okay, we get the result. So we can change the type of the field. So it could be quantity. Now we can ask, please weight BMI in one line. Place systolic and diastolic blood pressure in. Now we can test it. For example, we have a height and weight, and we need to add the calculation for BMI. We get the result. We can go to the BMI item and see the calculated expression for this. Set up population logic for first name. Okay, we can go and see that the population expression was added. Do the same for last name and date of birth. We can check it. So we have population expression for last name and we have the population expression for date of birth. Let's test this population logic. I have one test patient and we can use it and click populate. Now we can see that the data in the form were populated. So this worked perfectly. The next, we can write extraction logic. This is height, weight, we have BMI, and we can say extract BMI value to an observation. Oh, and now he says that I need to find the login code for observation. We can see code was added and extraction was marked extract to observation, and we can test it. Let's go to the data extraction tab and click extract and validate. And now we can see we get the observation resource with a final status code for BMI reference to the patient. We can see the value. Yeah. We can do the same for the temperature. For example, we see the AI assistant looks for login code. We can go and see, yes, we have a code for this field and we have extraction to the observation. We can test it. Let's say that we have temperature like 38. Yeah. Let's extract this value. So we get, again, we get one observation with a BMI value. And also we get another observation with a body temperature value. We have observation with a final status code, and also we have the value was to create the form with extraction, prefilling, and calculation rules. Here you can see the questionnaire for this form. Let's prepare everything for analytics on top of this form. The first step, we need to create view definition. So we can see that the view definition was created and saved in the database. The next step, we need to generate the test data. So we can see that the process is started and it takes time to generate 10 responses. Okay, probably we can test it. Let's say visualize BMI. Okay, and now we get the result. So we could visualize the BMI value for this patient. So now we can ask visualize systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure. So, and yes, we get to the diagram for our patient. We get the trend of systolic and diastolic blood pressure. And the last. Okay, and we get the last diagram for our patient. So how change the temperature for 10 days. So probably that's all.